Hey, we've had our car here, and we're oh my gosh, it's like it looks like they're going to have to tow the car here.
Oh, for crying out loud.
Okay, here we go. I think we've got our helicopter. We're having to tow a car here?
Yeah, this is illegally parked Mitsubishi that was in
Oh, okay. Well, it's like we've got, I think I see somebody running up to me here about the car. It's like, man, was this your car?
I don't know what I'm going to do.
I think we actually found the owner. If you could bring it back for us, we'd sure appreciate it. It is, I'm afraid. We've got some heavy winds here. I don't know if we're going to be able to maintain it. Are you going to be able to bring that back to us? Man, I'm thinking we're going to do more than scratch the paint. Tell me you had insurance on it. I hope it's not in the glove box. I mean your card.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'm kind of thinking, yeah, oh man, that is one flat card, Kurt.
Right, she said something about the insurance card being in the glove box.
Yeah, she might have an issue with that. Looks like the car's going flat.
Well, hey. She said AAA could come and do something for her. Hey, that Northwest Helicopter. Let's give a big round of applause for our car drop there from Northwest Helicopter, one of our great sponsors here at the air show. It's like we had mentioned that if you park those cars illegally, there are strange things that happen to them around here. So I'm afraid someone is going to get a really, really flat gallant from